I could go over at lunch and pick this up.
Well, that's what...
Was you kind of thinking about doing that?
I was kind of thinking that because, you know...
Yeah, you go back home, and if they don't get it fixed, you'll just have to come back and get me at 9 o'clock.
Right. I mean, I can wait a little while.
Yeah.
But, you know, if it's not going to be fixed by the time you go to work, I can just bring you over to work and you can go get it at lunch.
Yeah. It's cockeyed on that trailer.
So?
It's core beeping me. They're trying to sell us new Galaxies.
Of course they are. You're about to pay them off.
Mm-hmm. Oh, ends 9/30. That's expired.
Yeah.
$1,000.
Yeah. It's kind of their model now. They want you to get them just about paid off and then buy new phones. I don't feel the need to.
No. My phones are fine. I noticed mine's getting kind of funny about touching.
That may be just your screen protector.
Yeah. We're only 30 minutes late. They'll still take it in. Because they knew I had to wait on the tow truck. You want me to take a picture so you can post it?
Nope. Besides the fact it's on the dash cam anyway.
Yeah.
Which, well, if I'm taking it home, I'll just do it at the house myself. So where do I need to go? Service department or quick lane?
Service.
Alright.
Well, where's he taking it?
Round that away?
Yeah. No, I guess you better pull up behind him. Or just pull up and let me get out.
Alright.